Pulang kabayo, lakas ang tama, ako'y nawawala.
Kabayo.
Oh. Ano kulay?
Lakas ang tama.
Oh, tama.
Ako'y nawawala.
Alak na naman!
Alak na naman!
Alrighty, it is time for 10 reasons why something is cool. By the way, this is the third episode of 10 reasons why something is cool, the series. 10 reasons why something is cool is a series dito sa channel ng G Plana Squad. Basically, it's kukuha ako ng topic or bagay or grupo or isang tao, tas gagawan ko ng 10 reasons kung bakit cool itong bagay, tao, or kung ano man yun sinasabi ko nang binibigyan ko ng 10 reasons why that thing is cool.
Alak na naman!
This series is to spread positive vibes or whatever. You know, positivity. Alam nyo kung bakit? You know, the world has gone to shit. Ang dami na nangyayari sa mundo na puro negative, blah, blah, blah. And, you know, let's, you know, spread some positive vibes for once. So, you know, this is all about positivity. The main goal of this series is positivity. Today's episode is about 10 reasons why Red Horse,
Pulang kabayo, lakas ang tama,
is cool. Reason number one mga kaunggoy. Red Horse is a beer. Paano naging cool reason kung beer yung Red Horse? Dami kasing mga, you know, vitamins or whatever, nutritional value ang beer. I'm not even joking, hindi ako nagbibiro mga kaunggoy. Search nyo, mga nutritional blah 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 ng beer. Meron mga protein or whatever. Beer yung Red Horse. That leads us to reason number 2 mga kaunggoy. Carbohydrates mga kaunggoy. Bago. It's all about them carbs and how you use it. Kung gusto yung magpalaki ng katawan, carbs is very important, and that's why Red Horse is cool, because it has carbohydrates. Reason number 3, antioxidants. Hindi ako nagja-joke mga kaunggoy. Beer has antioxidants. Link in description, ladies and gentlemen. Nandito lahat ng mga kinuhaan ko ng, you know, I stole some things, you know, link in blah. Nasa link in description yung proof kung na may antioxidants ang beer. Reason number 4, potassium, ladies and gentlemen. May potassium ang beer, ladies and gentlemen. And Red Horse is a beer. Kung beer ang Red Horse, meron din potassium ang Red Horse kasi beer yung Red Horse is. So that's the bottom line. Reason number 5, glowy skin. Magkakaroon kayo ng glowy skin pag uminom kayo ng Pulang Kabayo, lakas ang tama.
Lakas ang tama.
Oh, tama.
Ako'y nawawala.
Or any kind of beer mga kaunggoy. Link in description para sa lahat ng proof.
Tama.
Ako'y nawawala.
Reason number 6, self-confidence booster, ladies and gentlemen. So, kung mababa yung self-confidence nyo or confidence in general, tataas yung confidence nyo pag uminom kayo ng beer, lalong-lalo na ang
Pulang kabayo, lakas ang tama.
By the way, hindi ito sponsored Although I wish sponsored to and sponsor kami na Red Horse or whatever, pero sadly it's not. This video is not sponsored. This is just, you know, for the positive vibes. Spread them positivity here in the world of YouTube, ladies and gentlemen. Kaya now this video is just for fun, alright? It's just for the views. Sana all sponsored. Reason number 7, the number 1 beer.
Our Red Horse extra strong. Number 1 extra strong beer.
Just like in the commercial, ladies and gentlemen. The number 1 beer, ladies and gentlemen. Mga kaunggoy.
Uy! Red Horse na naman! The number 1 beer! Lakas ang tama! Uy! Di ako mamamatay! Uy!
Hoy, di ako mamamatay!
Reason number 8, ito ang tama. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Red Horse, ito ang tama. Ang lakas talaga ng tama nitong Red Horse na to, which is very cool. Kung gusto nyo matulog, knockout kayo agad dito sa Red Horse. Kung gusto nyo matulog, ah. Reason number 9 why Red Horse is cool. It loves everybody. Red Horse,
Pulang Kabayo.
Lakas ang tama.
Oh, tama.
Ako'y nawawala.
loves everybody. It loves me. It loves you. It loves all the drinkers that loves to drink dito sa Pinas. And you know, the alak enthusiasts dito sa Pinas, they love Red Horse. Everybody loves Red Horse. And Red Horse loves everybody. The taste, it's bearable. Like, anyone can handle the taste, kahit sino ka man. And the final reason why Red Horse is cool. Extra strong!
Red Horse extra strong. Number one extra strong beer.
The number 1 beer, ito ang tama. Extra strong ang Red Horse, mga kaunggoy. And that's the bottom line, ladies and gentlemen. Talagang ang lakas nitong beer na to. Extra strong, it's super strong. It's as strong as me. And I'm a strong man. And we strong man, you know, we drink strong beer. Because we love everybody.
Pulang Kabayo. Lakas ang tama.
So that is all the 10 reasons kung bakit Red Horse is cool. Again, I'm gonna say it again. This video is not sponsored. Sana all sponsored.
Pulang Kabayo.
Although it would be very cool and awesome kung
Pulang Kabayo.
Although it would be very cool and awesome kung sponsored to ng Red Horse, kasi, you know, we all want them sponsored kasi additional revenue and additional income, ladies and gentlemen.
Pulang Kabayo.
Comment down below kung ano pang mga 10 reasons why this thing or this something is cool. In the comments below, mag-suggest kayo ng kahit ano. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. Smash like kung mahilig kayo sa Red Horse, and smash like if you love everybody. And that's the bottom line because Manong Jairus said so. Shoutout nga pala kay Mariz. Ano to? Mariz Gomez. Legit yung tawa kapag Jeep Lana Squad pinanood nyo. Ha 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 ha, my new source of happiness. Hindi ko alam po anong emoji yan, pero basta yun. Shoutout sa'yo, Mariz Gomez. Salamat sa comment na ito. You are the comment of the day, week, whatever. End screen.